Hey guys, so welcome to part 3 in how to blender build a car. And I've decided to make a Fender today. So we have our reference pictures right here. So first things first is that we gotta extrude it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to front view and okay, it's already lined up like that. Oh, wait a second. This ribbon's a bit off, so I'm just confused a bit. Yes, yeah, so I'm gonna do what? Okay, it's just missing the thing on this side, so we have to kind of freehand and do it. So what I'm gonna do this, do Shift D, kind of messed up. Do the same thing, Shift D, get it all lined up. So since it's not on a side view, it is on the front view. So we will still be able to line it up, but it may be a little bit crooked, but it's not like the end of the world. So my mouse is messing up again. There. Oh, it's already lined up. That's a miracle. Nice. I'm just gonna take it down a bit here. Okay, that's not my best, but I tried. So I'm gonna extrude here. Looks a bit weird for some reason. I'm just gonna do this. I wonder if it works. No, it's too high. So I take this down. And I think it comes down. Let me check reference picture. I'm not sure. So what I'm gonna do is the picture looks like it comes down a bit, so I'm gonna do this. It could be lined up. That's probably why we can't see it. I'm not sure. Okay, so leave it like that. Then I'm going to start filling it in again. And also with quads, you can do the F thing. So like, you can spam F, but if it's like a triangle, it might stop. Like, not might, it will stop. So I do that, then mark the sharp. Then mark the sharp. We have that. So I guess that's the hood. So this part's the hood. This part is part of the fender a bit. It's acting a bit weird. Yeah, so now what I'm going to do, I am going to extrude out there. It's not around yet, but it'll come around. Then I'm going to add like one loop probably. I think that's good enough. And that does that. Then what I'm going to do next, again, doing the same thing here. Then the Shift D. Oh my god. Bring it down. Oh no, the Shift D. Do that. Line it all up. And the line's not supposed to go through there, so I'll fix that later. So bring it down. Bring it down. Yeah. So what here is I'm gonna do this and this, and I'm gonna add a new loop cut. I'll do that. Same thing here, new loop cut. No, I'll make it round, but in here, add a loop cut. Why am I saying loop pen? Okay, I guess here's loop pen. Then we do this. Then we gotta make it all lined up, which it is. Good thing. Now we do the same thing as before, but this time let's start from this side, cause yeah. God, this my mouse. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So right here we got a loop cut. Add a new one on the hood or whatever, and then just add a loop cut so it'll maintain quads and just not turn out weird and everything. And it does that. I'm like this. Mark it sharp, which gets it something like this. Fix that so to not get shading errors. Alright, so we got some of the Fender done. So now, what we're gonna do is, we're going to bring this down, do this, okay, I'm just gonna ignore that side for now, and then do, what, okay, vertices, this movement's a bit off also, so, I mean, you have to rely on freehanding then, most of the time, because blueprints just do that, super annoying. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna loop cut here. A new word or whatever. Just please don't correct me. I mean, you can correct me. Because we learn by mistakes. Then we got that. Mark this sharp. And we got shading errors. So let's fix it. I kind of fixed it. Yeah, that's good. Now we're gonna do it here. Pretty much same thing. Gonna extrude down. These fenders are honestly kind of weird. I don't know. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna add like 4 loop cuts, I guess. Probably gonna work. Then I'm going to add loop cuts here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this and hold this one last and do Alt M. Do it last and do that each step. Or actually, that won't really work in my case. I'm just gonna do this. But in your case, it could work. Depends what you're doing. So yeah, do this. Mark sharp. Got this. Mm. Hmm. don't think it exactly. Okay, yeah, we did a mistake. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move all this, then do the same thing again. But before I start doing stuff, I'm gonna move it over like this. Make sure it's all equal, all lined up. There. So now we can start doing the same thing again. Line it all up. Do the same thing before. Add 4 loop cuts. I mean, you don't have to add 4. Depends how round your car is or whatever. Do that. Add 4 loop cuts here. Then wait a second. Wait, what? Okay, I think I broke something with the entrance. There. So now we got that. Make sure it's all lined up. There. Now we're gonna try to do that fender, the part that comes out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to extrude out. I'm gonna go to top view. Okay, then I do that. Or actually, it's gonna do this. My mouse moves around so much. Oh, why does it have to move every time I do a duplicate? There. So now you can align it up. I'll line it up here. Then do this. I'm gonna move it out a bit, and I'm going to connect this, connect that. I'm gonna make it all lined up at the side like this. And again, your car might not have this, so you don't have to really worry about this, unlike mine. Then we got that. Now we're gonna fill it in. Oh, okay, we messed up. Okay, I'm gonna do it here this time. Okay, I'm confused. It's fine, probably. No, it's not. We forgot a move put somewhere. And I did. Okay, there we go. And mark this sharp. Mark this sharp. We kind of have a fender here. Then we have to do the same thing again for this other part here. Wait a second, I don't think we do. Yeah, we have to. Then you pretty much do the same thing again. Do this. You can also scale it down a bit, and that also works like that. Just leave it there because it doesn't move anywhere. And do the same exact thing as I did before. Fill it in, mark it sharp, and we got a fender. But we're not exactly done yet because this car. Okay, so here's how to do this part. I'm gonna end the video. Oh, and also, if your car looks like this, like it's all black and like this, it means your faces are flipped. So what you can do to know is click the plus icon here, go down and turn on back face culling, and parts that are facing the wrong way will be invisible. So what you can do, press tab, select everything, click and go to shadings of UV, right where the sharp thing is, and click flip direction, and that will help with that. So now what are you gonna do? So if you look at it, there's a plastic bit down here. Yeah, so here's a white car, plastic bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extrude down, mark this sharp, and also you know it pops out a bit. I'm gonna so just leave that for there now, and extrude then again. Do that, and you have this. So mark this sharp. So what you wanna do to know that oh, another thing, you gotta get it lined up. So like line it up like this. I know it's kind of weird, but yeah. Okay, I'm kind of missing things that ain't I? Is this supposed to? I'm actually confused right now. Not that much. So let's undo everything I did. So I'm probably confusing you guys a lot. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna move it in a bit, not that much. There. So what you wanna do? You wanna mark this part sharp. So what we wanna do? We wanna change the paint to make sure like what part is what. So what we're gonna do first? We're gonna extend this part out by just holding the edge. Click on a paint icon, which is this ball with some things, and click new. And it's gonna go a bit lighter. Then click diffuse, and just make it whatever color you want. I'm just gonna make it the color of the blueprint, so I just like doing that. And for the part that you want to get a different color, so hold it, and then click the plus icon, click new, and then click assign, then turn white. So what you do, diffuse, get whatever color you want, and you got your, okay, not too dark, that's gonna be for grill, like that. So what I'm gonna do now then, I'm gonna go vertices, gonna add 2 loop cuts, and I'm gonna bring it out a bit because the plastic part comes out a bit. And that's what we have for Fender. That's the Fender. You could just repeat all the steps you want me, but I'm gonna make more parts about the whole car, so you can like stay with me and like I can give you more tips and tricks and stuff. So yeah. Next on the next part will be about the bumper and the grill. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next part. Bye.